Hello guys, and welcome to another video. This is Gati from BNO Tech. Today we are taking a look at a shower speaker. This is the ARG-SP shower Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it has a suction cup on the bottom, meaning that it could be stuck on most surfaces, on flat surfaces. It can stick there. Let's have a look at the physical features of the speaker. At the top, you can see we have our power button, our pause and play, our back track and our forward track, our call button, and you can see a microphone. The back and forward tracks are also used for volume down and up. This speaker is water resistant. It is IP rated so that it could take a splash. It's perfect for in the shower. When you want to go and listen music in the shower, this speaker is perfect for that, because it could be wet, it could get wet and it won't be damaged. So this is a perfect little speaker for those of you who love to listen music in the shower. Under this flap, as you can see, it has a micro USB charging port. That's all that is underneath the flap. Yeah. So this is a very good speaker. Let's have it paired up and take a listen so you guys can hear how the speaker sounds. To turn it on, you just press and hold the power. You hear that sound. You see the light flashing. It is in pairing mode. So let's pair it up with our device. It's pairing. That's the sound it makes when it's paired. Let's have a listen to some music. Now we have it paired. Let's take a listen to how the speaker sound.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.